a brisk 71 degrees. It's August 18th. It's a Friday. We're going to find the tunnel we couldn't find yesterday. So go back and check out yesterday's video. Yeah, we couldn't find the tunnel. So we did some research and we know where it was. We were so close. But we gotta walk in the woods a little bit. So we were close. And there's also supposed to be a train trestle, which no,
we're not going to go on.
We're not going to walk on that.
You might get a picture, but that's about it. We thought Kinzu Bridge was crickety looking. Yeah, this is even worse.
Yeah, and this doesn't have any rails on it.
Yeah.
Or railings or whatever. Okay, so stay tuned. Look at the view. We're on Sample Road, but check out the view. Wow. We'll go slow. First time we've been on this road.
That we know of.
Yeah, I don't think we've been on this road before. Woo! Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Aren't you glad you came along with us?
We just started.
Okay, we're back to where we were yesterday. We were here yesterday, but we couldn't find where the tunnel was. And there's a path that's right alongside over here to go up. So check it out. My baby cakes found the path. It's up there. Less steeper. And there's Blue. Okay, here we go. Adventuring, we found the tunnel. Adventuring. This is just the beginning of it. Well, there's the tunnel that way, but we're going to check this out over here. Okay. And look, I even brought my light. We're going to check this out. If I can get through here. There's Blue. And I don't know if you remember the trestles across on the other side. Yeah? We were in yesterday's video, so make sure you watch that so you know where we are. Okay, we're walking towards the tunnel and how they cut through the stones through the mountain. Pretty cool. Might be some water in here, we don't know, so we might get our feet wet. It's all right. Oh, little waterfalls. That's cool. Yeah, it's getting gushy. We had a lot of rain last night, I believe. So, this might be flooded. But, that's what it looks like. We're going in. Of me?
No.
Oh, wow.
Up for a second.
Okay. This is what it looks like. Pretty scary to me. And we watched a few videos on this, and some people say it's haunted. You ready to go in this, dear? We might get wet. Okay, here we go. Slowly work our way through. Get tripped on. Okay, it's getting dark. But I got the trusty light. We're gonna turn it on. Oops, sorry about this. Here we go. Here's our light so we can see what we're doing. Yep. Some of these boards are very slippery, so be careful standing on the boards.
Yeah, I don't need to have a light in my eyes.
Oh,
I can see.
Sorry. Yeah.
Wow.
Cool. Look at the layers, how they made the brick.
All the way down there, but
Why not? We gotta go to the trestle.
where do you gotta go with Trestle?
We're not walking across it, we're just going to it. But see the layers? Yeah. You alright there? Okay. Look how thick that is. The layers of brick, how they...
And that fell.
And that fell. Ooh, from up there. Woo! Okay. It's dark. I see the light. You get the light, or you want me to carry it? We'll work our way through. Well, you can't see too much, so I'll just shut it off until we get to the other end.
Yeah, it's really tough.
Choo choo! We're climbing to the end, but look at this water. Yeah! I get the ceiling. I don't know if you can see the ceiling. But,
Wow.
yeah. We can make this. We're almost there, dear. And I see the trestle. Woo! Okay, we made it through the tunnel. Look how far it's in the hole. Wow. Look at that. Cool. And now to the trestle. Here it is. We gotta make it through this water first. Dear, carry me.
On my back, babe.
Okay, I'm jumping up. This is the trestle that goes over. What did he say? The Clarion River? Oh, we got something there. It must be ATV trails.
Ooh, I don't think so. Let me get a picture.
We'll have to get a picture. I'm on the trestle. Da 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 da. Woo! Yeah, wow. Yeah, we're not going down there. Sorry. Safety first. This thing is pretty well chewed up. Oh look, my baby's in the trestle. Okay, just off the phone so I can zoom in better. And that's the trestle. Wow. Wowie. Hell no, dear. It's a long ways down. Bye, tunnel. It was fun walking through you. Now we head back. We don't know where we're going next. Where do you want to go, babe? It's a
Salamander.
a salamander.
Look how cute he is.
I don't know where it is. There it is.
He's alive, little critter.
I hope you enjoyed that.
We did.
That was fun. Now we don't know where to go.
On to the next. But where? Who knows?
We don't know. But we gotta go down this dirt road. No way to get to it. And we did have some rain, so it's kind of gushy. And no winter maintenance. All right.
But it is a rural route because we saw a mailman.
Yeah. So, like Baby Kate said, on to the next. Hey, Baby Kate's got good eyes.
I'm looking for bear.
A bear?
I don't mind the deer, but the bear,
Yeah, there was like 3 of them, good size. They're in the woods. Camera doesn't pick them up when the camouflage in the woods. You can just see like a tail flipping, and that was pretty neat. Nothing else. Maybe something else will jump into the road. We're exploring now, or adventuring, exploring, winding road. This is Huckleberry Ridge. We were on this earlier. Now we're going, continuing, I should say, on it. It's a neat road. Whee! We're somewhere in the Clarion area. I don't know. Somewhere. So, come on along. I can't talk now. Oh boy.
come along.
There we go.
Okay.
Come along with us. Oh God. Oh, junk in the road. And because we don't know where we're going. So maybe you can help us out. Look at this road. Whee! Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Ah, you had to. Sorry, dear.
That's okay.
Ah.
I'm holding on.
Wow. I was going to shut the camera off. They were right, saying a windy road. Wow. Well, that was fun. Don't you agree? Oh, we're going through Cook's Forest. We just went through Cook's Forest on Route 36. And of course, nothing's connecting. But, oh, I connected now. The GoPro sometimes disconnects from the remote. Don't know why. Just does it. But we got a brisk 69 degrees. So we're heading home. There's a few bikes out today. But we're gonna head home and don't know what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. Hi. Ow.
He's still waving at us.
He's still waving at us. We came this route yesterday. He was waving at us yesterday. And he's still doing it. His arm must be really tired.
Mine would be.
Ah, you want a pickle, dear?
Wow. Next time.
That's what you said yesterday.
I know. We will stop there because I'm sure they get some good barrel pickles.
Yeah.
Yum.
Today's a good day to stop. Guess not. I didn't hear any comments. Okay. All right. Later, later. Wow, was it windy? We came around the corner, we got blasted. Almost pushed us into the next lane. Wow. Just a quick peek what you got over there. Woo! I know we were on this road yesterday. We just got blasted again coming to the top of the field. But I was on this route yesterday, 9:49. Like we said yesterday, it was a nice route.
Yeah.
So you're not going through the small towns. But it is nice. Yeah, you guessed it. Home sweet home. And we didn't get rained on.
Nope.
Another great day.
It's wind blown. That's okay.
It was very windy.
And chilly.
One of my things got blown off.
Oh, jeez.
The post
It
broke.
broke.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're home. We had a good day. Thanks for coming along with us.